Hi, my name is Sunggun Jang, freelance composer and a sound designer. I'm gonna demonstrate game sound implementation using middleware Wwise with open source FPS game Cube. These are the items on Cube: bullets, HP, armor, and quad damage. I also included the game object responding sound in the same category. The same goes for the teleporting sound. These sounds were processed with several software synthesizers, including Serum and Massive. And some of them were made with sampler software Contact. This is ambient for underwater. These were made with recorded sources such as BBC Workshop Library and integrating them with wide state function. As with gunshots, were also from pre-recorded sources. Since I couldn't find reliable gunshot source anywhere around my production environment, some sources were from YouTube gunshot demonstration videos. Changing weapons, player suffering, and gunshot shells dropping were self-recorded. For shotgun shells dropping sound, I used Wwise 3D panning function for seamless panning effect. And lastly, I imitated that boxer exhale for punching sound. For monsters whose weapons doesn't exist in the real world, such as fireball, synthesized FX sound were used here. Interactive music in Cube is organized in with 3 events. Explorer refers to condition unconfronted enemy situation. Combat refers to the in-combat situation. And death means death. Since the playing time can be extended indefinitely, all music is designed in seamless loop. Here I use the Wwise music playlist container's random step function. Once inside random step track, vertical layered music will be played forever in random order. And also I use the music switch container so that the game sound interact with game events. The player's hit point is dropped, heavy breath and heartbeat, and warning music will be played. Switch function in the music playlist container is used for this system. Also, I've recorded some vocal effects for Explore music, using the term thrust singing from traditional Tuvan music to give that tribal and ancient color. There are several monsters appearing in Cube. The voice of monsters have been implemented reflecting their appearance. This one is Reno, small, fast, and obnoxious. So I try to sound them like an obnoxious robot, and then tweak a lot with the vocoder, making them sound like a robot. This one is Ogre, and looks like a pig. So I made a pig sound, and then made them sound like an ogre. Like most of other SFX, these monster voices sounds were packed them in random container, so that the player doesn't experience so-called machine gun effect. One thing to be mentioned is voice limiting. Sounds overlapping could easily happen, especially for monsters. So I made an audio bus called Monster, and limited their maximum voice to 5. This prevents from overlapping and sound clipping. Player's voice was recorded by myself. Since player is a human, not a monster, his voice was not really tweaked from the original source. Footsteps can be heard constantly throughout the game. In order to make sound engine react to the ground the player is on, I use Wwise switch container function. so that the sound engine and game call could communicate each other. A strike sound and blood scattering sounds were also fully made. Every data I made were managed from the beginning. From the first step, I made folders with exactly matching names with their Wwise event ID. And after the final sound bank generation is over, I use a software named Directory Printer to extract data file paths and manage them with Google Spreadsheet like this. This particular process helps a lot with data management. This is all for this demo reel. If you need any contact or information, please send it to my email written down below. The rest of the video is playthrough of this game implementation without commentary. Thanks for watching.